How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, let's talk about on how we can import SRT subtitle files in Premiere Pro. Now, this is going to be extremely easy. The first thing that you want to do is to simply put your video onto your sequence or onto your timeline right here. And then basically there's two ways to do this. The first one is navigating through File, clicking on Import, and then you want to look for your file right here. Now, to make things easier, you can also drag and drop your file right here to simply import it right away. Now, once you have imported your file, you then want to place this onto the top of your sequence or onto your video. From here, select subtitle, and then you can edit out the style the way you want to. But after clicking on OK, you will be able to see your SRT file imported onto your system or onto your sequence right here. And of course, from here, you can edit this the way you want to, but that's how you import SRT subtitle files in Premiere Pro. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.